Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Autotrader. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in autotrader.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Autotrader website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to delete your account, click on your user ID at the top right once again, and then click on Profile. Now from your profile page, if you scroll all the way down, you will see the Delete Account button. Go ahead and click on this, and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to proceed. Click on Delete My Account once again, and you might be required to enter the verification code that will be sent to your email address or your password to verify your identity. After providing either one of these to verify your account, this will log you out from your Autotrader account and your account will be scheduled for deletion. After this step, make sure not to log back in for at least 3 weeks and your account will be deleted permanently. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on Autotrader. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.